Good morning, good morning. So this is, I'm still in Primark, and this side is boys wear. I was filming the girls' clothes the other side, so this one is for boys. But I think they are a bit mix. Yeah, this side here is for boys wears that you can see. You can see their jumpers here is £9 with their jeans. In these jumpers here you can have them, some of them £8, some of them £7. You can see the price. And these are the jumpers that they have here. Very nice jumper. Oh my goodness. It's very nice for the winter. Very good for the winter because they are cozy. You can see the way they look. Yeah. So this side is for the boys. You can see their shoes here. You can see their shoes here. You can see their jacket. The little ones. See. And all their clothes are reasonable. They are not expensive. You can see the price of this one is just £3. And these ones are cozy clothes. All these children's clothes in Primark. As you can see, these ones look like leggings, but they are not. You can see, very nice, and also very nice shoes that you can see they have. I think the other side is for girls there, so these ones are for boys here. Yeah. So don't hesitate, guys. Come to Primark. You will have good stuff for your children. Look at this one, is £3. It's on sale. They reduced the price, so they're all cheap. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I've shown you guys this place, so I need to go now until I come your way again. Stay blessed. Bye.